I'm Celebrity Chef Mariko, and today I'm going to show you how to make a spinach dip with rye bread. Usually spinach dip is served with sourdough or sweet bread or tortilla chips, but rye bread is actually a delicious, delicious way to serve it. So I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and simple spinach dip that brings out the full flavor of the rye bread. To get started, you'll want to get a mixing bowl and add a 1/4 cup of non-fat plain Greek yogurt. Normally, spinach dip has a lot of calories and fat because it's filled with mayonnaise and sour cream. I like doing the non-fat plain Greek yogurt because you get all the flavor and the creamy, rich consistency, but you don't get all the fat and calories and guilt. Then I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of chopped spinach, and this is actually frozen spinach that I bought that has been thawed and drained. Then you want to add a little bit of seasoning. This is a seasoning blend that has some rosemary, looks like there's some rosemary and parsley and a little bit of thyme, a bunch of really good things in there, and it smells delicious. Then a little bit of salt and a lot of fresh ground pepper. If you wanted to get creative, you could add some chopped up jalapenos or even some chopped up artichoke hearts. Anything you add to it at this point is going to even make it more delicious. I'm just going to keep it simple and add a 1/4 cup of grated mozzarella cheese. And now I'm going to stir everything until it is well combined. So you can serve your spinach dip either hot or cold. It's going to taste great just like this, but if you wanted a hot version, just put it in an oven-safe bowl and bake it at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Okay, now that everything is mixed together well, I'm going to put it in a cute little serving container. All right, and now it is ready to serve. This is Mariko showing you how to make spinach dip with rye bread. Enjoy.